Hello students, in the previous part of this chapter you have read about the median and mode. Now let's do the question, exercise 3.2. Let's start with the question number 1. So we have the score of mathematics test out of 25, 15 student is as follows. So this is the data given in your book. We need to find mode and median of this data, right? This data is given in the form of marks of mathematics test for the 15 student. So first of all we will find median, right? So for median we need to arrange this data in ascending order. We will arrange this data in ascending order. So we have arranged this data in ascending order, right? Now what we will do? We will count all these numbers as we have given 15 data is given, 15 observation we have. So for the 15 we need to do 15 divided by 2. 15 divided by 2, that means 7. If we write it like 15 divided by 2, 2 sevens are 40, we get a number, remainder as 1 and quotient as 7, right? So this 7 represent that we need to left 7 numbers from left and from right side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We need to leave these numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So this 7. We will not take these and these. This middle number is known as median, right? So for this data median is 20, right? Now for mode, we have already arranged this data in the ascending order. Now mode is the highest frequency, right, or most repeating number. So we have most repeating number is 20, right? So mode for this is 20. Okay, let's do question number 2. So we have given the score of a cricketer for 11 matches. This is 6, 15, 120, 50, 100, 80, 10, 15, 8, 10 and 15, right? So this is given for 11 matches. So first of all we will find mode. Mode is the highest frequency. We need to see which number is repeating the most. So we have only 10 and 15 is repeating the most. So mode for this is 10 and so mode for this is 15 because 15 is repeating itself by 3 times. So mode for this data is 15. Now median. For median we have to arrange this data in ascending order. So we will arrange this data in ascending order. 6, 8, 10, 10 for 2 times, 15, 15, 15 for 3 times. After 15 we have 50, 80, 100 and 120, right? So we have 11. We will divide 11 by 2. 5s are 10. We get 1 remainder. So this represent what? We have to left 5 numbers from the left and right also. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We will leave these numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We will leave these numbers. So median for this data is 15, right? So mode and median is 15. Now mean. What is mean? We will write the formula. Formula is sum of all observations divided by number of observations. Right? Now we will sum all these. 6 plus 8 plus 10 plus 10 plus 15 plus 15 plus 15 plus 50 plus 80 plus 100 plus 120 divided by 11. Right? Because we have 11 observations. Now add these. 100 and 120, that is 220. 220 plus 80, that is 300. 350. 350 and 45. 395. 395 plus 10. 405. 415. 415 plus 14. 415 plus 14, we will get 429. 429 divided by 11. On dividing, we will get what? 33. 39. So median, so mean for this data is 39. That means the cricketer has scored a mean score of 39. All these questions are related to these questions. So solve these questions on your own.